Good afternoon. So today I will discuss about the scenery and a bird eye view about women representation in Tripura Legislative Assembly. We know that Tripura is a small state of northeastern region of India. It is the third smallest state uh, after Goa and Sikkim. So in Tripura, the picture of women representation is not so attractive, and it's very you can say it's very shameful in respect to participation of women. When you think about the concept of feminism or women empowerment, then participation of women in legislative assembly shows very negligible uh, response report. Tripura became statehood in 1972, and from that time, assembly um, election started with 60 seats, 60 constituencies. Before that, it has 30 constituencies. So 60 seated assembly, which is still prevailing now, it started its first election on 1972. So for your information, I am just discussing with you that the women representation since 1972. The result is what? Only 21 nongs women have been elected for the legislatures of Tripura, and their percentage is only 3.88%. The scenery is not so very satisfactory, because out of 234 candidates, only 21 belong to women categories. And if you look at these pictures, and you can find out very easily that from 1972 to 2013, the table contains up to 2013, where the last time 5 nongs women candidates elected in assembly out of 60. So in total 540 out of 540 MLAs, only 21 belongs to women. The percentage is 3.88%. Though the same thing is happened, because in Tripura is one of the pioneer state where women's 50% women reservations are secured local self government governing bodies, that is in municipal corporations, municipalities, nagar panchayats, or even in village councils, village panchayats. So in almost all sectors where 50% seats are reserved for women category, but at the highest level of decision making body in the state, the picture is not clear, because women participation is very less in those places. You can see this is a summary of the results, where it shows only 234, this only 2 women candidates elected in that election. Now, what is the suggestion for improvement the condition? The political training is needed for all legislatures, and even for all women. They should come in front, because almost all political parties, they more or less support male candidates during election and for selection of their candidates. So this should be changed. Thus, political training for women candidate is very much needed. Power to be given to proper care and attention is needed. Proper education is needed for the consciousness is needed for the women category. Education is the main key factor. Education is the key factor, because higher educated people, women,